What's up everybody, it's DJ Jer here with Shop Time. As you know, I'm a huge fan of the Freedom H1s. Well, Chauvet DJ has come out with, this is their EZLink Par Q1 BT. So basically, it's very similar to an H1. The biggest difference is you cannot control this through DMX. This is going to be strictly Bluetooth connection. So you're gonna use the BT Air app to control this. You can actually change everything on board here. And you can see they actually put a little QR code on here. So this QR code is going to allow you to, if you don't have the app, it's going to allow you to scan that and you'll be able to get the app right on your phone directly there. So a couple different things, looking at this fixture, you have the different color options, or you can change the color right here. So as you can see, just click on that. You can be able to flip through the colors. And this being a quad, it's going to have R, G, B, and amber. So you can do the specific colors within the fixture right off of here, or you can actually use the app and you can use, or you can find exactly the color you're trying to create by using the color wheel. This one here is going to be the different auto programs. So you can see here is just a color snap or sound active. And then push it again, you have color pulse, you have color snap, and then you have color fade as well. So this button right here is going to be the that is going to be the Bluetooth connection. So that's where you're going to be able to sync up the app with your actual fixture itself. The fixture is very simple. Get your power button and then your charging port. So nothing really too crazy. Now when you look at the light, what you're going to see is just, again, overall color mix. Nothing too crazy. It's going to mix your red, your green, your blue, and your amber to give you some variation. Now this fixture is going to be a lot cheaper than what the H1 was because you have a lot more limitations. It's made of plastic as opposed to the H1, which is completely enclosed in steel. So there are some differences. It's a lot lighter. Cost-effective wise, this thing is a steal. So if you're looking for a really cost-effective fixture that's going to get the job done, this is going to be a great fixture for you. Entry level, using the Bluetooth, not DMX, but still, again, a nice fixture for the price point. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can reach me at jeremy@djjershoptime.com, or you can message down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible with any answers and help you guys create with this little fixture. Again, this is the EZLink Par Q1 BT by Chauvet DJ. Thanks for watching. This is DJ Jer with Shop Time. We'll see you next time.